Welcome, Nature Explorer. This rapid-fire challenge will test your wild wisdom. Can you conquer the animal kingdom?
Which marine mammal navigates using echolocation? What is the primary diet of a giant panda? Halfway there, Nature Maestro, don't let your guard down. This bird has the largest wingspan globally. Name it. What unique defense mechanism does a pufferfish employ? Where do monarch butterflies famously migrate for winter? Fantastic job, Nature Whiz. How many did you ace today? Comment your score below and follow for more wild quizzes.